Start.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. This is Abhishek Singh from BBAKU 6M, and today I am present here to describe a topic on healthcare sector of 7 Ps. And I am really thankful to our subject faculty Sujit sir for giving me a chance to describe this topic in front of you all. So now I am carry on with my topics 7 Ps in healthcare sector. Now we are going to see each of the topics one by one. As we all know, there are 7 Ps: price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, and product. Now, we will look each of the process one by one in detail. In healthcare sector, we all know, basically the hospitals and the Medicare facilities are the most prominent factors. Now, so I have taken this example. Now, if we talk about the price, in the price of the healthcare sector, the most important things are the co-pays, distributaries, bundle services. These things means what are the facilities by which the patient are paying the charges in the hospitals. Basically, it is the fees for which the patient are paying. The second one is the place. Place refers to the particular place where the hospital is assigned for, or where the people go and take their medical facilities. In this, the facility type, locations, hours of operating, and the medical website. The medical website is now trending because the e-commerce is now most prominent factor. Without each and every field is having e-commerce facilities nowadays. We can get many of the facilities online of medical with the help of e-commerce also. So online website is the most prominent factor for the healthcare facilities nowadays. The third one is the promotion. As we all know, each and every sector nowadays is incomplete without promotion. No one is going to know a company or a big hospital without promotion. We can see many of the big hospitals in Patna too are spending a lot of money in promotion, like Paras, Medanta, Palika Vinayak, Ruban Hospital, etc. They have their separate promotional facilities and the particular agents for their promotion activities. Now in promotion it comes online review, advertising, and the public relation. In this, I think the public relation and the publicity is the most important factor, because you may spend as much on online reviews and advertisement, but the public review, that we call year-to-year review, is the best factor, because this will help you to grow your organization a lot. This proves that what is your facility, because public is the most important factor. They will never lie to themselves. The fourth one is the people. Here people respond for the doctors, compounders, nurses, and the other medical staff that are there in the hospitals or the other medical facilities to present the services to the people coming over there. The fifth one is the fifth one is the process. Process is also a very important factor. In process, it comes that how an hospital executes their patient, what is their patient handling capacity, and how they are managing their staff in particular time, and what is their treatment time of the patient. Like what is their operation timing, what is their medication timing, and what time they spend on the testing of the patients in their particular hospital. The sixth one is the physical evidence. This requires the product packaging and the ambience of the hospital. As we all know nowadays, without a proper ambience, we don't even visit a good restaurant also. Because if we go to a restaurant and the physical evidence of if the interior of the restaurant is not good, we create a negative image of restaurant in that. So the hospital is also being treated nowadays like if they have the better facilities, better ambience, a large area of patient, then we only think that the hospital is good. And the last one is the product. In product, the medical equipments and the medical procedures comes, like scissors, medicines, and the other operating tools. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a very nice day.